Before ever operating the Mark IV, it is critical to your safety and those working around you that you know the positions and functions of all machine controls. Before operating, fully inspect your machine for safety and wear. With practice, the daily walk-around inspection generally takes about 20 minutes. Make sure the equipment and the engine are off and all work components are locked in their safety locks before performing service or maintenance tasks. Disengage, release the service brake, and set the parking brake. Also make sure the master battery switch is off. Begin your inspection and maintenance routine by following all proper energy control procedures. The primary form of protection for the Mark IV is lockout-tagout. Additional information on lockout-tagout can be found at the front of your operator's manual. Another safety measure would be disabling switches. There are two ways to do this. 1. The operator may press Enter one time, go to Doctor, which is F2, go to F3, which is your switch diagnostics, that pulls up your switch panel. At that time, you can check any switch to be sure they are disabled. The operator can also select F5 on the first toolbar. Use plus or minus to highlight Warm-Up, which is the first icon on top, then press F5 to activate Warm-Up. When the machine goes into warm-up mode, it automatically disables switches. Current Mark IVs are fitted with steps and platforms for safer and easier access to inspect and maintain the machine. Hand or grab rails have also been added in some of these areas. When mounting and dismounting the machine, be sure to use three-point contact. Keep these areas clean and free from slip, trip, and fall hazards. Be certain to include these safety features in your daily inspection. The Federal Railroad Administration, or FRA, prescribes minimum safety standards for on-track roadway maintenance machines and high-rail vehicles. These standards can be found in Title 49 of the CFR, Part 214, Subpart D, On-Track Roadway Maintenance Machines and High-Rail Vehicles. Your employer or the railroad you operate on may prescribe additional or more stringent machine safety standards in addition to FRA regulations. Be certain to follow and comply with all federal and company regulations concerning the inspection, maintenance, and safe operation of your Mark IV. The following sections cover the federal regulations and best recommended practices for keeping your Mark IV in safe working condition.